So let's get into this. To get into BIOS, we are going to restart the system while pressing F2 on our physical keyboard. Since we can't have access to the virtual keyboard. So restart, press F2 on your keyboard there. Alright, so we are now in BIOS. So we are going to make changes to admin password. So I would likely to have that settings for admin. Let's check configuration. No, it's not under configuration. Then we check under security, admin password. Yeah, you can see it here. So we click on admin password and we are going to enter new password. So we have already been given a password there. The default password given is T67XAB1. So I think I'll just copy so that I don't make mistake. So paste here, and then we confirm by pasting twice. So we click OK and enter So I think, yeah, this is done. The next thing we want to do is to TPM security. So for the TPM security, enable TPM. Let's just go to TPM since it's there. TPM, we're going to enable TPM and we're going to click apply. Then we go to hard drive password. So hard disk access. So we go to hard drive, internal HDD password. Here's it here. We click on it. So the password we also use is here already. We just copy and paste. Click OK. So it will give you a set of warnings here. So yeah, once we enable this, then chassis intrusion. So let's look for chassis intrusion here. This is chassis intrusion. And what are we to do to chassis intrusion? Enable chassis intrusion detection. So we go to chassis intrusion and we enable and then we apply. We then go to so we've done chassis intrusion, TPM is done, password for hard disk is done, admin password is done. So I'm going to save changes now. Okay, so that is it. So we just save changes, click on exit, and then we check answers. You can see that all of them is ticked, which means we got all the activities right, and it's 100% 4/4. So we go to score